learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Located in Taipei's bustling Gongguan area is the Hakka Cultural Park. Unlike other Hakka theme parks, it has its own ecological zones and trails. The site includes the Oblation Furnace, Pavilion of Bagong, Tobacco Building, and more. While visiting, you'll come across a plethora of Hakka ingenuity and culture. For the artsy types, there's a theater and 3-story cultural center that exhibits many Hakka relics and art. Don't miss the chance to explore the rich Hakka culture.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim of Su. And recently, we've been talking about this park that's also sort of a concert building and museum at the same time in Taipei. It's called the Taipei Hakka Cultural Park. 最近我们在电台上常常会介绍一些活动啊，一些演唱会、爵士音乐响宴啊等等呢，都在一个地方举办，叫做台北市客家文化主题公园。
哦，超好，那有去過，我有去過。
有去過對不對？來，怎麼說呢？這個用客語。
好，台北市客家文化主題公園。
Oh, let's break that down. It's actually pretty simple, even though it's long. 台北市
台北市
That's how you say Taipei City.
客家文化
客家文化 means culture. And then
主題公園
主題公園 theme park. OK, 主題公園。
它的建筑其實有主要是2棟其實比較大的，一個就是客家文化中心
OK, 就是客家文化中心。
對，好，另外一個就是客家戲劇中心。
戲劇就是
戲劇啦，戲劇。
哦，所以很多音樂表演可能就在這個戲劇中心裡面了。
對對對，它也可以讓一個小劇團來這邊表演，其實還蠻好的。
Okay, so there are 2 main buildings inside this park right here. First is the Hakka Cultural Center, Hakka 文化中心。
嘿，好。
And then the other one is more of a theater. Okay, 就是客家戲劇中心 Hakka 戲劇中心 Again, that's the theater building, which houses a lot of great international concerts too. 其實最近還有一個爵士的，也是很國際的一個盛會，也在這邊舉辦的。
超啊！其實它還有一些其他的設備啊，像是什麼百公亭啊、博公亭、百公亭、金字亭、金絲亭。
哦，這都是亭。A lot of pavilions that are beautiful. They can hang out. Oh, go check it out. It's very nice, especially on the weekends in downtown Taipei City. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
案子say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.